Kia ora e te whānau, Grant Whitbourne back again with another quick language lesson for you in Te Reo Māori. Now, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. Got tons of new content and I want to make sure you get all of it. So today, we're going to be looking at the word tonu. And what tonu essentially means is the word still in English. So tonu actually means a whole bunch of different things in Te Reo Māori, but today we're just going to focus on the word still and how we can use it to talk about the continuation of something. So what I mean by that is, for instance, we can look at the continuation of an action, for instance. So I am sitting versus I am still sitting. She is running versus she is still running, or he is sleeping versus he is still sleeping. So, for example, you might say in your household, what's Tom doing? And the response might be, well, Tom's still sleeping. So not just Tom is sleeping, but Tom is still sleeping. So we're giving that sort of sense that they're still doing something that they were doing beforehand. They're not just doing something now for the sake of doing it. It's sort of been this continuation that is still happening. So we're going to look at that. We'll look at that in two cases. So the first being, like I said, an action. So what someone's doing in a continuous sort of state. And we'll also look at a location. So where someone is. So he's still at school, or she is still over there. So we'll jump across to the screencast, the screen share, and we'll check it out. So for the first ones, we'll look at some actions. So if you remember the simple sentence structure for what someone is doing. So kei te oma ia, which means he or she is running. So we'll go with that sort of that sort of sentence structure. So I'll just get rid of that. So the question we can use, kei te aha ia. What is he or she doing? Ia meaning he or she. That's another lesson. What is he or she doing? So you could say, kei te oma ia. He is running. But what we're going to do in this case is insert the word tonu to give that sense of continuation, or what the English word for still is. So all we do is that simple structure, kei te oma ia, and we just add in tonu straight after. Pretty simple. So instead of he is running, he is still running. Kei te aha cat. Oops. What is cat doing? Kei te moe tonu ia. She is still sleeping. That's the sort of question you could ask in the morning. Another one, kei te, and there's so many examples of this. I'm just going through a few simple examples here, but honestly, you could come up with so many different types of sentences here. It's really unlimited the amount of things you could say. Kei te aha koe. So I ring my mate up. Bro, kei te aha koe. What are you doing? Kei te mahi tonu au. I am still working versus I am. Compare that to I am working. See if we, what's happened there? There we go. Get the formatting right. Kei te mahi tonu au. I am still working. So they're the real simple sentence structures that you can use, and you just add in tonu there after the verb, after that action word. So oma tonu, moe tonu, mahi tonu. So now we can look at some of the locatives. So kei hea ia. I've got some more videos on this if you want to go check out the channel. There's some more videos on where is. So where is he? We'll say kei te kura tonu ia. He is still at school. So kura meaning school, and similar to what we did up here where we added tonu in after the action word, after the verb, here we're adding it in after the location. So kei te kura tonu ia. He is still at school. We'll go with cat on this one. Okay, here. Cat. Where is cat? Okay. Dona mahia. Cat. Whoops. Cat is still at her work. Okay, here. Where are you? Where can you be? I am still working. I should have probably used that as the example for at his work. Okay, there. What's a good example we can use here? I can't ask you because you're watching the video and I'm writing it right now. Kei te toa tonuo. I am still at the store. So there you have it. Very similar to the top one where we just add tonu onto the end of the action word. On this second one, we're adding tonu onto the end of the location word. So that's it. That's all the lesson is for today. Have a go at that. Let me know how you go. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are down in the comments. So please let me know and we'll talk soon.